Hello, welcome to Canada. From the rugged peaks of the Canadian Rockies to the charming coastal towns of the Maritimes, this vast country offers a diverse tapestry of experiences waiting to be explored. Are you planning your first trip to Canada? Here's everything you need to know to make your visit unforgettable. Over the next few minutes, we'll delve into practical tips and cultural insights to ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey through the Great White North. So, pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and let's embark on this Canadian escapade together. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and press the bell button to stay updated with our latest travel tips and adventures. Before you set foot on Canadian soil, it's essential to ensure you have the necessary travel documents. Canada welcomes visitors from around the globe, but depending on your nationality, you might require a visa. For many travelers, especially those from visa-exempt countries, an electronic travel authorization, ETA, is all you need. This simple online application can be completed in minutes and grants you access to Canada for tourism or business purposes for up to 6 months. If you're planning a longer stay or have specific reasons for visiting, like studying or working, you'll need to apply for a visitor visa. The process involves submitting an application, supporting documents, and attending an interview at a Canadian visa office. For a comprehensive guide with step-by-step instructions on applying for a Canadian visitor visa, please watch our previous video titled How to Apply for Canada Visitor Visa, Step-by-Step Guide, 2024. Remember, it's crucial to apply well in advance of your intended travel dates to avoid any last-minute hiccups. Besides your passport and visa, bring copies of travel insurance and an international driving permit if you plan to rent a car. Credit and debit cards are widely accepted, but carrying some Canadian dollars for small purchases is wise. Canada's weather can be as diverse as its landscapes, so packing the right gear is essential for a comfortable trip. If you're venturing into the heart of a Canadian winter mid-December to mid-March, be prepared for bone-chilling temperatures. Pack a warm winter coat, a cozy hat, gloves, and a scarf to keep the cold at bay. Layering is key, so pack thermal underwear, sweaters, and fleece jackets to adjust to varying temperatures. For the warmer months, pack light clothing, including t-shirts, shorts, and comfortable walking shoes. Don't forget your swimsuit if you plan on enjoying Canada's pristine lakes and beaches. Remember, Canada experiences distinct shoulder seasons, spring and autumn, where temperatures can fluctuate drastically. Pack versatile clothing items that can be layered easily, such as light jackets, sweaters, and long pants. It's always a good idea to check the weather forecast for your specific destination before you pack, and don't hesitate to pack a small umbrella or raincoat, as Canada can experience unexpected showers. Canada is a multicultural society known for its friendly and welcoming people. Canadians value politeness and respect, so a simple please and thank you go a long way. Tipping is customary in Canada, so remember to tip service staff in restaurants, bars, and hotels. A standard tip is around 15 to 20% of the bill. Canada is a bilingual country, with English and French being the official languages. While English is widely spoken, you'll encounter French predominantly in the province of Quebec. Don't hesitate to learn a few basic French phrases. It's a great way to immerse yourself in the local culture and show respect for the language. Canadians are generally laid back and approachable, so don't be afraid to strike up conversations with locals. They're often happy to share their insights and recommendations. Embrace the Canadian spirit of openness and friendliness, and you'll undoubtedly have a more enriching travel experience. Canada boasts a high standard of health care, but it's always wise to be prepared for any health-related issues that may arise during your travels. Ensure you have comprehensive travel insurance that covers medical expenses, trip cancellations, and lost luggage. Pack a small first aid kit with essential items like bandages, pain relievers, and any personal medications you require. Canada's diverse climate can pose certain health risks, so pack accordingly. During the summer months, protect yourself from the sun's harmful rays by wearing sunscreen, a hat, and sunglasses. In winter, be mindful of frostbite and hypothermia by dressing warmly and limiting your exposure to extreme cold. Canada is generally a safe country to travel in, but it's always prudent to be aware of your surroundings and take necessary precautions. Avoid walking alone in poorly lit areas at night and keep your valuables secure. In case of an emergency, dial 911 to reach emergency services. Familiarize yourself with your accommodation's safety procedures and know the location of the nearest hospital or medical clinic. Canadians are generally known for their politeness and orderliness, and this is reflected in their everyday customs. Queuing is a common practice, whether it's at the grocery store, bus stop, or tourist attraction. Patience is a virtue in Canada, so embrace the queue and wait your turn. Small talk is a common way for Canadians to break the ice and make connections. Don't be surprised if you find yourself chatting with locals in elevators, coffee shops, or while waiting in line. Embrace these casual interactions. They're a great way to experience Canadian friendliness firsthand. Canadians value personal space, so avoid standing too close to others or interrupting personal conversations. Respecting personal boundaries is crucial in Canadian society. When greeting people, a firm handshake is customary. Hugs are usually reserved for close friends and family. Canadians are generally informal in their interactions, but it's always best to err on the side of politeness and respect. With these tips, you're all set for a fantastic first visit to Canada. Remember to embrace the Canadian spirit of adventure, politeness, and respect for nature. Whether you're exploring the vibrant cities, immersing yourself in the stunning natural landscapes, or experiencing the warmth of Canadian hospitality, your journey through Canada is sure to be unforgettable. Enjoy your trip and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips.